Hi, we're up in the mountains and we need to be rescued. We're in between like 5 mountains with trees everywhere. Nicole's wearing like this bright yellow Free City sweatshirt.
It feels far away.
Amanda, nothing is rotten here.
What do you think? Do you think that everything rots?
Of course not, Amanda.
I'm not asking you. Answer my question.
You don't have to answer that.
Mango.
Me and the devil walking side by side.
Barely 2 words in, and you already look like you want me dead. You're getting all worked up over nothing. You've changed. You're getting weak.
Let's talk about your friends. They didn't have to be here.
What?
They had a place on the train and you took them out of it. You brought them here. You put them in danger.
They were trying to help me!
They were. And this is the result. All of this is your fault.
Angela! I can call you Angela, right?
For you, Dr. Ziegler.
Aw, I'm a little hurt, Doctor.
I keep forgetting to calibrate my staff to your higher temperature.
Thanks for reminding me that I'm hot stuff.
More like the stuff of medical nightmares.
Three, two, one, go!
would love to sit here and chit-chat with you, but I gotta go. Oh, Tyrus, did you just fart?
Come and get that. Come and get that. Come and get that kill shot, baby. I mean it so serious.
She leaves into the cabanas. Now look at what happened. I'm mega gone free or nobody. Mega gone free. I'm mega gone free. I'm mega gone free or nobody. Mega gone free. I'm mega gone free. I'm mega gone free.
Damn. I can't see fucking shit out of this thing.
We ready or what?
Oh, hold on. I'm fucking with my hole. Oh shit. Just made it worse.
Get the fuck away from me.
Get the fuck away from me.
Get the fuck away from me.
Daisy, if we answer do, I am ready. You'll find out.
If I can't have you, no one can.
So, you got a boyfriend?
Why? You want to ask me out on a date?
Maybe. Do you have a boyfriend?
Yes.
One sip,
Bad for me,
one hit,
bad for me,
one kiss.
bad for me. But I give in so easily. And no thank you is how it should have gone. I should stay strong, but I'm weak. And what's wrong with that?
It's just a cigarette and it cannot be that bad. Honey,
Angela, right?
For you, Dr. Ziegler.
Oh, I'm a little hurt, Doctor.
I keep forgetting to calibrate my staff to your higher temperature.
Thanks for reminding me that I'm hot stuff.
More like the stuff of medical nightmares.
Don't make me sting you! I'll do it!
You need to get out of here.
Just kidding!
Design a paper dragon with me. Let's see. Let's do this one. What's up? My materials. Oops. That was bad. Boom. She's cute. Something's missing. What if I... Wow!
you just to prove my love, only to find out you are the one holding the gun.
Can I ask you a question?
As long as it's not about my eye. Is it about my eye?
Sort of.
Just ask the question.
What's with the eye?
There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was a Billy O.D.
The winds blew hard, her bow dipped down. Below my bully boys blow.
Backwards, upside down, and inside out. So hold on, or it'll fall down.
Ugh, I hate people that work at the bank. Shh, I work at the bank. Here is $1. Do not tell anyone.
Mamma da porca picchita va bene, se tu la parla piezza americano, quando si fa l'amore sotto la luna, come te viene in capo di I love you, papà l'americano.
Wherever you go, I won't be far to follow. I'm gonna love you so. You'll learn what I already know. I love you means you're never, ever, ever getting rid of me.
Free paper dragon ideas. Plus accessories for them. Enjoy.
Just because you see a smile, don't think you know what's going on underneath. A smile is a valuable tool, my dear. It inspires your friends, keeps your enemies guessing, and ensures that no matter what comes your way, you're the one in control.
By blinking in Morse code.
Why are you blinking so much?
I've got something in my eye.
Here, let me get it out.
No, thank you. I don't want to die. Bonjour. Sir was blinking at me. Is this because your date is a freak? No. Very good then. Bon appetit.
No boundary boredom, no boundary and boredom. I can tell that your drinking eyes never open. Try and say somebody will die, and I hate hoping. Wishing that the pills let you cry, and I hate hoping.
the sand, and you found a little band. You told me you fell in love with it, hadn't gone as I planned. When you had to bid adieu, said you'd never love anew.
We're the wretch.
I was in admin swiping the card, but it wouldn't go through. I was swiping too hard.
I was downloading data to 100%. I turned around and saw Blue standing next to the vent.
Somebody come watch me scanning the med bay.
I say we vote now to get rid of some dead weight.
But I saw Purple lurking, so suspicious. She kept flipping switches at the O2 sensors.
Switches? That's a keypad. This guy's sus, acting like he's a crewmate just like us.
Kick him off.
That's the only way to protect us. Bye-bye, Cyan. You're gonna regret this.
Wretch. We're wretch. We're the wretch.
So a couple of days ago, I showed you how to make the base for a paper dragon, and it looked like this. And then I showed you how to draw and make your own face and glue it on there like this. I know some people were concerned about not having good enough drawing skills, so let me show you how you can make the face without having to lift a pencil. So first I start by measuring out the dimensions of the head. Then I'll insert a square like this. Maybe look to the side, and when I put in the dimensions, boom, gets to the right size. I'll do the same for the bottom jaw, and voila. Then I'll look for a reference picture. I know a dimple magician asked if I could do toothless. A nice profile like this should work. So I'll open it in here, and I'll try to play with the size to get it to what I need. I think something about this size should do. So let's move these out of the way and print. There you go. Luckily, the only color he has is a little bit of green in his eyes. So I cut it out of the paper, and I removed his jaw as well. Next, I'll glue this on. And if there's a little part sticking out like that, you don't like it, you can just try to cut it off. Like that, leave it alone, or just color it. Now I'll glue on the bottom jaw. With everything glued in place, you have a toothless puppet. No drawing needed. It is a little bit floppy back here, and I could fix that by like gluing something back here to keep it up, but I kind of like the way it looks floppy. It gives it that 3D organic look, I guess. So here it is. And you can use this for all sorts of dragons. Like if you're into Game of Thrones. That's pretty cool. And on top of that, it doesn't have to be a dragon, and you can even put it upside down and have something with a bigger chin. Like, let's say, a certain Dr. Doofenshmirtz. Perry the Platypus! What an unexpected surprise! And of course, you got a color printer. The possibilities are endless. Oh, before we go, I want to try cutting this off, see if I can do that. I don't know if this is going to work, but might as well try, right? Well, here's an example of putting something in there to keep it flopping over. This is just a straw. Let's see if this worked.
Wow, if I had a nickel for every time I was doomed by a puppet, I'd have 2 nickels, which isn't a lot, but it's weird that it happened twice, right?
Either way, I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on how to print out your own heads for your dragon puppet starters. Have a great day, and remember to always stay creative. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye. I am toothless. I have no teeth. No.